What documents do I need to apply for a 401 degrees Kelvin loan? Are you considering a loan from your 401k and wondering what paperwork you need to gather? Let's break it down so you can be fully prepared. First, you will need a recent 401k account statement. This document shows your vested balance, which is the amount you can borrow against. Knowing this number is essential, as loan amounts are based on a percentage of your vested balance. Next, you will need to fill out a loan application form. This form is typically provided by your plan administrator or your employer's human resources department. On this form, you will specify how much you want to borrow, the repayment term, and sometimes the reason for the loan. Keep in mind that some plans do not require a stated purpose unless you are applying for special terms, like a longer repayment period for buying a primary residence. Another important document is proof of employment. You may need to provide a recent pay stub or another form of employment verification. This confirms that you are still employed by the company that sponsors your 401k plan, which is usually a requirement for eligibility. If you are married and your plan is subject to the Employee Retirement Income Security Act, you might also need a signed spousal consent form. This protects your spouse's rights regarding the loan and is an important step in the process. If you are applying for a loan specifically for a primary residence, additional documentation will be required. This could include a signed purchase agreement or estimated closing costs. These documents help support the purpose of the loan and may allow for a longer repayment period, sometimes up to 15 years instead of the usual 5. Some plans may also ask for a promissory note signed by you. This formalizes the loan agreement and outlines the repayment terms. Additionally, if you have had any outstanding loans from your 401k or other tax-deferred plans with your current employer in the past year, you may need to provide details about those loans. Lastly, be aware that some plans charge a processing fee for the loan application. You may need to pay this fee or authorize payment as part of your application process. In summary, to apply for a 401k loan, gather your recent account statement, complete the loan application form, verify your employment, and, if applicable, provide spousal consent and any necessary documentation for the loan's purpose. Being prepared with these documents will help you navigate the loan process smoothly while keeping your retirement savings in mind.